Hello and welcome to day 119 of the 1000 Days of No Code series. Imagine if you could have fresh, visually appealing Instagram code posts generated and uploaded automatically without touching Canva, Photoshop, or even your phone. Today, we will use AI and no code to generate a motivational quote image automatically and schedule it to be posted on Instagram on a daily basis. By the end of this video, you will have your own fully automated AI-powered Instagram quote generator. Let's get started. So we are going to create a quote-based image post and going to post it on Instagram on a daily basis. So create workflow and call it as quote post, and we will make this as schedule, okay, which means it will run based on the schedules that we want at regular interval once every day. So we'll go with every day, right? And we can select the date and time that we want. Let's say at 10 a.m., right? Click on save. Okay, that is 4:30 UTC. And the next step is to use OpenAI. Okay, and we will go with DALL, which is meant for creates an image by prompt using DALL. Click on connect and we'll have to use the connection. We have already connected, so I use that. It's asking us for the token. We have not connected the OpenAI to Pabbly Connect, so I'm going to get that over here. So I'm going to create a new key and let's call this as Pabbly Connect. Project is default. Click on create. I'll copy this, go back, add my token, and I'll click on save. Okay, so we have model here. DALL 2, DALL 3. I'll use DALL 3 because that's the latest one. Prompt: generate an image with short inspirational quote which can be posted on Instagram. Number of images to be generated, I'll make it as 1. Size we can give, we'll go with 1024 cross 1024. Quality is standard. And then style, enter the style of generated image. Note it must be vivid or natural styles. Vivid creates hyper real and dramatic images, while natural produces more realistic ones. So let's go with natural and click on save and send test request. Okay, so we cannot use 10 as capital. We'll use the smaller one. It will take a few seconds because of course it has to generate some image based on the prompt. Okay, so we have got an image URL over here. So let's open this particular image and you can see rise with the morning sun and shine your light on the world. Okay, so the image has got generated. Let's go back. Now let's connect our Instagram account, Instagram for business, and publish photo. Click on connect. Connect with Instagram for business. Ritesh Facebook. Ritesh Facebook. It's asking me for the code and code is 53. Now you're logged in. Trust this device. I'll say always confirm it's me. Continue as Ritesh. Okay, authorization done. So we have one of the account which is licenseclub.io. I can also use Rich7 Talks. So now photo URL, we can get it directly from here, okay, which is this step. But pay close attention that when we get this, okay, we do not have a file name over there, right? And if you see what Instagram wants, it asks us for a URL which has HTTPS. Supported file formats are JPG, GIF, PNG, and so on and so forth. So what we have to do is Pabbly Connect allows us to upload the file. So we will use this file uploader by Pabbly. Upload file and get URL. Click on connect. The file URL is this particular thing. File name can be quote.png, right? Click on save and send test request. Wait for a couple of seconds. We got the response, which means it has got posted. So let's go to my Instagram account to see if it has actually got posted. I'm going to refresh this and there you go. Rise with the morning sun and shine your light on the world. 17 seconds ago. Now this has been switched on and we have scheduled this to run every morning at 10 a.m. Leave it like this. We will use DALL 3 to generate an image of a quote and that gets posted on your Instagram every day automatically. Isn't this cool? And just like that, you've built an AI-powered Instagram content generator. Now imagine using the same system for LinkedIn, Facebook, or Twitter. The possibilities are endless. No more staring at the blank screen wondering what to post. Now, if you're excited about automation and want to learn from others who are building cool stuffs, join our NoCode community. We share exclusive tips, answer questions, and help each other automate like pros. Tomorrow, we are diving into WhatsApp automation using AI sensing. If you have ever wanted to send automated messages, reminders, or bulk updates on WhatsApp, you won't want to miss it. Click the link below to join the WhatsApp community, and I will see you there. Thank you for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.